The best way to start your day. Cold Heineken. The Turtles All the Way Down by Sturgill Simpson. Don't matter what mood you're in. If you drink down a big can of Heineken and just listen to Sturgill Simpson. Turtles All the Way Down. You're gonna have a good day. Life is good. Can't nothing change that. What's the cheese mix this morning, baby?
Huh? We want to do manicure. Huh?
Wait, I thought you had some cheese mix.
That's a chismos.
It's not cheese mix.
That's a
Big chismos.
That's a big chismos because you need you need your approval. The father need approval.
He like this chicken nuggets like it does.
Where'd you get those chicken nuggets?
The pure gold.
He likes them.
Yeah. He don't want in that too.
You finish it.
Give him some ketchup or barbecue sauce.
He don't like.
We just do it.
Look on the pit table too.
Hey son, get your feet off the table, man. Sit up there, boy.
He like that. He's the one who finished that. I just eat one. Me too. I eat one.
It's an American boy. In America, we eat a lot of chicken nuggets.
Yan daw yung ABCD niya eh.
ABCD.
Makita sa approval.
Approval.
Approval. Say yes. Say yes.
Survey says.
Say yes.
Survey says.
Please.
Approval.
Why you laughing? Nagtanong lang kanina.
You feeling good now, eh?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little better, baby. I'm starting to feel much better.
We do manicure, pedicure now.
Baby, I said I'm feeling better, not my wallet. My wallet ain't feeling better.
If you feel better, your wallet feel better too.
Baby, my wallet's got cancer.
No.
Just only 350.
Baby, I'm just now feeling better. Y'all hustling me over getting a manicure and a pedicure.
Yeah, we see that. If
You
you're
Marquitos feeling okay, and tell him that you're doing manicure.
congratulations. Your wallet is ano?
Baby, my wallet's in intensive care. That thing's been bleeding too long, baby. It's bleeding.
Sige na, Marquitos.
Baby, just because I'm feeling better doesn't mean I got money to take you to manicure, pedicure.
Let's give me your wallet, then me and Ate go. We don't need you to go. That's a wallet only.
Folks, you see the stress I'm on here?
That's a 300 feet and hand now. That's 300 only.
150.
Go na.
150.
Carry na best. Go, Marquitos. Go, Marquitos. Marquitos.
Baby, this stress I'm
Oh,
starting.
look, Ate's nail, oh. Look, oh. That's so, no, Marquitos. They scratch your face if you don't want to.
How about you use them to scratch my back?
Dali na, Marquitos. We don't have work
If you
today,
don't want-
Marquitos.
I'll clean my nails, oh.
If you don't want go to manicure, pedicure, you don't want clean Ate's nail.
Alright, give me the tools. It ain't gonna be pretty, but I'll get it done.
Bakit tools? Why tools?
Just give me a tackle box over there. I got a hammer.
yung pang ganyan mo.
Baby, I got a hammer.
That's
I got a leather tool.
Okay, ito sige na. Pa-video-video ka pa, hindi ka naman nagbibigay ng ambag eh.
Dati may nagsasayaw dun. Ano kaya tayo? Tignan daw natin. Yo? Yee! Party! What's the baby problem to, ate? What you need? Kung dalawa lang magpipicture dito. Hi!
Pasok lang, ano po yun?
May pizza po kayo dito?
Ay, pizza. Wala po.
See?
Meron po dun sa unahan.
Alright tayo.
These ladies want to take a walk,
Yes! What ang init,
but the sun beating down on them, so they're over here in the shade.
So hot. Ako dito. Tayo, tingin ako niyan. Sige, maglakad ka.
Hey, no,
Honey, this is not hard. Mas hard pa yun ako. Buha! Buha! Teko, nga kayo na. Ayun, Teo, sa puno, buhay pa. Malaguin na yan eh. 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Ah! Bulok na. Ayun ah. Bulok na ang binigay mo sa akin. Dalawa yan. Kay Coris isa. Yeah, binigay mo sa akin. Ooh! Ah! Ah! Dalawa. Binatuloy mo. Bulok naman ako binibigay mo sa akin eh.
just don't hit the child in the head, please.
Ano pangalan niya? Hindi ko rin alam. Baka bukas-bukas. Tabi-tabi po. Naglaro lang. Naglaro pa bata. Ang lakas-lakas ha.
Ladies, what are we stealing off the tree there? Stealing, those are baby guavas. I think you need to wait another few months. You're trying to steal the guavas, but they're all babies.
Saan ka punta, te? Miss. Nag-resign na daw yung sapatos niya. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Ay, pagalitan na lang tayo, di tayo nagsasalita.
Hi.
Hello. Fresh yung mga gulay. Dito kami namili. Dito daw sila namili. Kaya pala alam niya kung saan siya pupunta. Oh! Pares lang sila ng price nito, te. Pinikilo na mo. Gusto mo yan? Ay, mahal. Punta dito kapag kung ayaw mo Gago na. 50 pesos. Huwag ka, ate. Punta na kami, Earth. Sa sobrang init.
Sa bigasan?
Ako. Meron po dito yung juicean. Juicean. Hi! Mas maganda ko pa sa bigas. Gusto mo yan? Parang pangalan niya rin. Malambot daw. Ilan? 3, 2. Tatlo po nito. 3 kilo.
3 kilo?
Ganyan natin yung binili din namin ni Marcos. Baka pera. Regular.
Whoa, buddy. You okay? Well, folks, I just wanted to show you that dreams can come true. These ladies were talking so loud, about 1 million words per minute. And I just asked for a little peace and quiet, and they went into the room voluntarily now. I didn't make them do this. This is a surprise. But in my show everybody here. Oh, it's so lovely. It picked a lovely color. Hey, it's supposed to. The tape is supposed to stop the flow of Tagalog. It's a beautiful accessory if you have a Filipina. Ladies,
Oh my goodness!
ladies.
Nag-monster kami! Because I cannot breathe!
It's been brought to my attention that Daniel has been located.
Who's the one locate? You? You locate Daniel?
Can you tell everybody how you found Daniel?
I don't know!
Where
My head, it's headache!
Where is Daniel currently located?
Makitas! The people said I'm crazy because I show I'm not crazy. I'm just loka-loka only.
Hey, we're trying to find out where is the Daniel.
You want to find? Go in Arayat, Pampanga.
Okay, so he's in Arayat, Pampanga.
Parang yung Serena, yung mermaid. Itulong sa kulay. Wow, sana all. Nagsisit-sisit pa siya. Drop to Papa. Matubig pa kumabot pa sa loob natin. Dito. Lapin na pin! Ayaw niya. You drink. It don't like in the glass. It like the... May silbi pala yung ano ni Marcos, no?
Now, baby, you gonna get in the hot tub? You think you'll fit in the hot tub?
Yeah, I fit there.
I don't think so, baby.
Ala, busog.
In the hot tub? Huh?
Ay, si Pirot ka to like only half. Yeah, I fit in there. Paano like? In the washing only. In the washing, hirap hindi washing. Ay, ito to ate. Ate, can I see your washing machine? Yung sargana.
Baby, I don't think you ladies would fit in the washing tub.
Ete, you buy a pool. That's why me and ate fit in the pool. Kala mo dyan. Di ko in there ano yun. Tignan natin.